everyone, my name is Marjaana and welcome to my channel. In this video we're gonna do Christmas ornaments from air dry clay, and I'm gonna do 3 different designs and let me know which one is your favorite. I hope you liked the video and hit the like button if you do, and remember to subscribe to my channel. That is very much appreciated. But now let's do some Christmas ornaments. First, roll the clay about 5 millimeters thick. I had lace fabric that I used to have a beautiful print on the clay, so I placed the lace fabric on the clay, and with the rolling pin I pressed the shapes on the clay. Then use gingerbread molds to cut the shapes from the clay. Use this kind of wooden stick, or if you have a straw, use that for making a hole for the satin ribbon, and make sure you make enough big hole because otherwise the ribbon will not fit. Let the clay pieces dry at least overnight. You can use sandpaper to smooth the edges if you want to. I used 180 grit sandpaper. Then wipe the dust off, and then we are ready to add the ribbon. Roll the clay again about 5 millimeters thick, and press the lace fabric with the rolling pin on the clay so you get the nice pattern on the clay. And with the gingerbread molds, cut the shapes from the clay and poke holes for the satin ribbon. And again, let the clay pieces dry at least overnight, or when they're completely dry. Then paint the clay pieces with acrylic paint. Wipe the paint off with a sponge carefully that the paint will stay in the holes or where the clay is in the lower level. I painted the pieces with gold paint also from the back. When the paint is dry, you can use sandpaper and sand the bumps a little bit so you get the clay's white color better and brighter. Then wipe the dust off again, and then you can place the satin ribbons. For the last design I used this brown or reddish air dry clay because I wanted to have ornaments that look like real gingerbreads. And again, roll the clay about 5 millimeters thick and cut the shapes using gingerbread molds. And remember to poke holes for the satin ribbon. And again, let the clay pieces dry at least overnight. You can smooth the edges with sandpaper if you like to, and then wipe the dust off. I used this 3D snow effect for icing. This was the only one the craft store had where I bought it. Maybe you can find a similar. You can paint the clay pieces with brown acrylic paint if you want them to look a bit more gingerbread, because the clay is a bit reddish. When the icing has dried, you can add ribbon. I added a bow for this ornament because I didn't like how the icing turned out, so now it looks maybe a little bit better. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and hit the like button and remember to subscribe. And I wish you a great day, evening, morning, whenever you're watching this video, and see you in the next video. Bye!